Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about how you can follow through on what you have started, especially if it is a thing that is out of your comfort zone. So I'm talking based out of my personal experience. I'm going to share my experience, like how I achieved it and how actually it can go ahead and help you as well. So before we get started, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'll be talking more about mindset, sales funnel, and also I'll be documenting my journey on this channel. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button, and if you want to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing, be sure to check the first link in the description. And coming back to today's topic, personally, I'm currently in a challenge right now. Like how you can follow through on what you have started is by creating challenges for yourself. And fortunately, I am currently in a program called as Work with Sebastian. Like if you want to get started, link in the description. And where in this channel, Sebastian Gomez, my mentor, in his mastermind group, he created this challenge called as 90-day video challenge, and where one needs to put every single day one video on his any of the social media platforms. And once it is done, like you got to take the screenshot of that and put it in the comment section. So this was a challenge, and initially I was quite hesitant to do it because I was not very comfortable in front of the camera, but I knew putting my face in front of the camera and producing content on a daily basis, it's going to provide massive value to people. And after doing this challenge, like I could see like a lot of traffic came to my channel. Like I crossed like 20k views on my video channel, and I got around over 160 subscribers right now. And so many things started to happen. Like I never even imagined like that would be even possible. And putting 90 days on a consistent basis, like it may sound simple, but it's not that, because every day you are not going to have the same mood, and you are not going to have the same energy, same excitement to do the things. So this was quite challenging, and I accepted that challenge, and I started once it was launched, I posted my first video and I put a screenshot of it, and I could see a lot of members getting started with that challenge. And I could see few names who is uploading on a daily basis. I could see, and like with this challenge, what happened, like how I follow through is like this little challenge helped me. Like the other members who are posting screenshot, like they actually started reacting to my comments. Like it could be a like, it could be a comment, and I saw like many people started noticing me that I have started this. And after 5 days, you can't give up, because so many people have are watching you, and you don't want to be like the person who show world that you are weak or something. Nobody likes that, right? So that's kind of a positive pressure, I would call it. That kinds of a positive pressure kept me going, and I started producing on a daily basis. And after doing this, like even I announced this to my my family, like even if you don't want to do it publicly, but at least you can talk to your closest ones and just tell them you're doing a 90-day video challenge where you're going to create every single day new video, and you're going to upload it to a social media platform. My mom, who doesn't know anything about marketing or any other stuff, even my friends and my brother, whoever I'm closest, where I'm talk to them daily, I announced it to them. I think it was like 2 or 3 weeks after in this challenge, I felt like not doing anything. I thought let this day pass, and so I was in my own comfort zone. Maybe I was on my couch and I was relaxing for that day. I didn't want to do anything on that particular day. By announcing it publicly, my mom came and asked me why you're not creating any video today, and you're gonna lose that challenge. So that kind of a positive pressure that was built on me, and that freaking day I went ahead and created a video, even though I did not want it to do. And trust me, frankly speaking, I'm not kind of a video person. Even if you notice, like my videos are super simple, and I talk like whatever I learn on a daily basis, I share with people, and people love it. And I didn't really expect that to happen. Even in comment section, so many people in commenting, I never realized. So creating challenge and announcing it publicly, these are the two key factors, like finishing on what they have started, especially if they are out of your comfort zone. So this video challenge literally helped me a lot, because right now the idea of this challenge was to start this challenge in the last quarter and finish it by the end of this year 2020, so that many people start their resolution on Jan 1st or Jan 1st week, and they quit that resolution on Jan 10th. That's not how it should be. The idea of my mentor always says, like, you should always have momentum with you that can actually get results. So we already started this in the last quarter, and I already completed. Today is my 19th video, so that's why I'm making this video today. And I can't express like how much sense of achievement I could feel like after completing this video challenge. And this challenge is not going to end here. The idea of this challenge was to get massive momentum. Right now I have so much momentum with me. Like once I jump into 2021, or maybe by the time I upload this video it's already 2021, like I'll have so much momentum that right now I can't even sleep without making that video. So I have got into that habit, and I read this in somewhere in book, like if you do this same thing like on 21 days continuously, it becomes a habit. Right now it is a habit for me, but it's because I can't sleep without making a video, I can't sleep without producing content online. So this is a very good habit that actually helped me. And I explained my personal journey, and I also gave you some of the tips like how you can follow through on how you got started. And if you are enjoying my content, please do subscribe to my channel. So I'm documenting my journey as well here. And if you want to get into such challenges, or like if you want to get into serious like business mode where you want to get started in the right path, pretty simple, no fancy things, pretty straightforward, simple business that actually works if you are committed for that business. If you want to get started, my mentor has created a program called as Work with Sebastian. It is the first link in the description. You can go ahead and check that out, and that program has changed a lot for me. I highly recommend you go for it. And also he's launching a new program that is Sebastian's Inner Circle. It's only for the members who go through the program, who understand like the philosophy behind it. In that inner circle, like you actually going to get a accountability coach, personal accountability coach, and I have enrolled for that. I have enrolled myself for a pre-launch list, and it's going to be amazing because I'll be working closely with a very small group of people where it's very business focused, and it's also health related. So it's a lot of things going to change in that program, and where I get the opportunity to work with my mentor very closely. So he has launched this program, but it is not for everybody. It is only for the members of Work with Sebastian program. If you are not already a member, be sure to check the first link. It's not at all expensive. Even if you go and watch a Netflix movie, like it costs as less $10 for you guys. Go ahead and check that program, and if you like it, you can jump on to Inner Circle. But I highly recommend if you first go through Work with Sebastian. Trust me, that can actually literally change your life, and which did it for me. I'm actually sensing, even though I'm not making 6 figures yet, but trust me, that has given me a lot of momentum and putting me in the right direction, because you can't get the time back. So I hope you got value from this video, guys. And if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section, or you can email me directly personally. I'll leave my email address in the description, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.